Does dear old dad have a few extra neckties laying around? Well, give them a new way to collect spilled gravy and make a holiday necktie table runner. Let's get started. You'll need red, green, or holiday neckties and a sewing machine. First, find the perfect layout for your ties. You can mix patterns with solids and then line them up side by side. Next, lay the skinny end to the fat end and the fat end to the skinny end, overlapping the edges a little and pin together. Using your sewing machine, stitch a straight line from one end to the other until all the edges are sewn down. And there you have it, a holiday necktie table runner, perfect for the next family gathering. Thanks, Dad.